Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sukhi Learn. I am Sukhjinder Singh and you can call me Sukhi. And if you are watching me for the first time, I would request you to please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the updates of all the videos that I am uploading. Today's video, I will continue from where I left in the last video. As I promised, I will be demonstrating the concept of exception handling using the try and catch block in Automation Anywhere. So I will keep the use case as the same one which was existing last time, that was related to extracting the bank details based on the bank IFSC code available in the input file. And I will demonstrate the try and catch block today in this video. And before I start showing the demonstration, I would like to thank Automation Anywhere for sending me the swag for the Board Games 2022. And I'm wearing that right now. Let me show you. Well, this is how the t-shirt looks like. The print on the t-shirt looks like very nicely made. It says Board Games, it says Automation Anywhere, and yeah, it also mentions 2022. So this is how it looks like. It's really cool, very nice. Thank you so much, Automation Anywhere. I've also received this. You can see it, and I've also received this. Yeah, so thank you so much, Automation Anywhere. This is really nice. This is really cool. And um, everybody in the community, I'm sure they must be waiting for the next board games coming in next year. And thank you very much again, Automation Anywhere. So let's get started with this video today, in which I'm going to demonstrate try and catch block, how you can use try and catch in order to handle exceptions in your bot using Automation Anywhere. All right, so now just to recap, this is the bot that we created last time. If you have not seen that video, I'm leaving the link for the video in the description. I would recommend you watch that video. So this is where we are opening the input file, then we are opening the browser, um, and then we're clicking on the IFSC code link, search by IFSC code link, this option. And then for each row in our input file that we have captured as a data table, here we are importing it as a data table, we are going to search for the bank details. Now, this entire piece here can throw an error. So when I'm trying to, enter the IFSC code and hit submit, there's a so if the IFSC code is not correct, then I will not get any output below this particular page. So once I hit submit, this information may not will not be loaded if the IFSC code is not correct. In that situation, there will be a runtime error which needs to be handled. So we need to create a try catch block to handle that situation. So what we will do is we'll put this piece of code in a try block, and if everything works fine as per expectation, it will perform all these steps and come to this action. For any reason, if it fails in this particular set of code, line of codes, then it will go to the catch block. And then in the catch block, we need to capture uh, the status and the error accordingly. So that's how we will work on it. So let me just say try. There is try catch. So we are using only try and catch today. So I will put try over here. So by default, it gives you the catch block. So I put all the actions in try, and in the catch, these are two things available to store the error message. So at runtime, when there is an error, the error message will be stored in this variable, and which line is causing the error, that will be stored in the line number. So it is always a good habit to save these two. and maintain a log whenever there is an error. Now, if you look at the input file, these are the columns that were available. So whenever you are, just a quick tip, whenever you are processing data which is available in Excel or a data set, it is always advisable to add additional columns like status and comments. So basically, status is to track the execution status of that transaction, whether it was successful or not. So in this case, if I'm able to extract the bank name and the bank branch name, then the status will be successful or success. And in any given scenario, if I'm not able to extract the bank name and branch name, then it'll be failure, and I need to capture the details of the error that has been generated uh, at the runtime while processing that given transaction. So what I'll do here is I'll simply add to column status and comments. So I've added these two columns. So I will make necessary changes in the code so that these columns are updated correctly. Okay, so in this code, you can see that we are updating the value for bank name and we are updating the value for branch. So we need to also update the status. So if I'm able to extract everything correctly, the status will be success. And there's no need to update comments. Yeah, it is successful. So now if this piece of code throws an error, what will I do? First thing, I will do everything that has been done when it is successful. So what I will do here is, I don't have the value for bank name, so I'll not update anything. So I'll remove this. I don't have the value for branch name, so I'll not update anything here. I'll remove this. But instead of success, I will be updating the status as failed. And for comments, I will say runtime error, say error message number, error line number dot to string. So this is what I will do in order to handle this. And I will increment the row counter because if the error occurs at second line number 2 or record number 2, I need to capture the status as failed, capture the error message in the line number, and then move on to the next record. So hence I will increment the counter over here. Apart from that, I will also mention continue. So instead of going here, the bot will simply pick this up and go on to the next record and then perform these steps. If everything works fine, it will go here, perform these steps and go to the next record. So if I close this, you'll see that everything that we want to perform is there inside the loop, and whatever we expect can throw an error is inside the try, and whatever we want to do if the error occurs is inside the catch, and everything else, if everything goes fine, that is written here. So that's the code, and now we will just run and see how it works. All right, so let's run this bot and let's see what happens. So when it is searching for the second IFSC code, there will be no information available, and that is the time when it will throw an error. So yeah, there's nothing to capture here. There's no bank name to capture. So it'll throw an error, and the bot will now capture the status as failed, and it will capture all the comment, the entire error and the line number in the comments, and it will go on to the next record. Yeah, so that's exactly what it is showing over here. Um, Correctly captured everything. So that's about this example. And once again, if you are not a subscriber to this channel, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the alerts of all the videos that I'm uploading. And leave a comment, show your support, hit the like button, and spread the word. Share this channel with as many people as you can. Uh, Thank you for watching. All right, so this brings to the end of this video, and yes, I'm proud to show this slide to you. And I am a board games 2022 champion, so I'm very proud of this. And thank you, Micah Smith. Thank you, Lara. Thank you, Arjun, for driving this campaign so positively. And all the videos that you guys upload is extremely useful and helpful for people like me, someone like me to learn and keep improving every day. So thank you so much. Go be great and keep learning. Thank you.